Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can switch your professional account into your normal account. So in order to do this, simply click on these three vertical lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then it will lead you to the settings and activity tab. You need to scroll down until you see this option which says creator tools and controls. Click here, and here you can see this option which says switch account type. Click on this option and it will give you the option to either choose a business account or a personal account. To switch it back to the personal account, click on this personal account option and it will ask you for a confirmation. Simply confirm it and just give it a time to process. And here you can see that it has successfully switched to personal account. Simply go back and here you can see that this has successfully worked for us. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.